Today, been waiting on it. We bought an RV roughly about a month ago, and so I just got this, and you're going to see it as I see it. This is a keyless entry lock that you put on your RV camper. So you're seeing it as I'm pulling it out. This is pretty heavy. It looks like it's pretty durable. Oh, there's the keys. This is the lock. You can put a code in it right here. Here's the keys locked onto it. This is the back. And let's see. Like I said, you're seeing it as I see it. There's a hook. Let's see what's in this box. Oh, that is pretty cool. This is looks like the wireless keys that you would use with it. Oh, it is. That's pretty neat. It's durable and heavy. You got to replace this. You got to take the lock off the camper, and then you replace this. Looks like this is the back, and this is going to be the front part right here. And then you got these two keys that you can put here in the locks. And it's made by, I can't see it, WELLUCK. But I did read up on it. Wait a minute. Here's another bag. This looks like it's going to be all the... Oh, yeah. This is all the things that you put... on your door. That you would put on your door to replace the lock. I'm real excited about it. Because to me, it's going to make it a lot easier to get into it. When you have groceries in your hand or something in your hand, it comes with the instructions. Whoops, that box fell. Comes with the instructions right here. How to insert it and replace the other lock. I cannot wait till I get my RV to put this lock on here, because I will be the only one that's ever had this lock. The other people that own the camper, I don't have to worry about nobody trying to get in it or whatever. I'm really excited about this. I mean, I'm going to tell you right now, this is very heavy. You can tell that it's durable and it's going to do the job. Got your keypad right here, or you can use your keys, or you can use your wireless entry. Which with me, I'm going to use my wireless entry probably more than I will use the keys.